Hello everyone. Today we are going to compare two technological devices, the iPhone 5 and the iPhone 14.
Yes, the iPhone 5 is a old model, while the iPhone 14 is a much more modern smartphone.
First, let's talk about the size. The iPhone 5 is smaller and lighter than the iPhone 14.
That is true. The iPhone 14 is bigger, but but is it has a larger and brighter screen.
The screen of the iPhone 14 is also clearer and more colorful than the screen of the iPhone 5.
What about the design?
The iPhone 5 has a simpler design. It is thinner and easier to hold with one hand.
The iPhone 14 is more elegant and more modern. It is made of stronger materials, so it feels more resistant.
Now, let's compare the cameras. The iPhone 5 has only one rear camera.
In contrast, the iPhone 14 has the as better camera. It can take clear photos and recording higher quality videos.
The iPhone 14 is also better for taking photos at night.
Yes, and people can use it for making videos, creating content, creating contents and edition videos.
The iPhone 5 can also make calls, send messages, take photos, and use application, but it has fewer functions.
The iPhone 14 is fastest and more powerful than, than the iPhone 5,
It also has more storage and better battery.
which phone is more expensive.
The iPhone 14 is much more expensive than the iPhone 5.
However, the iPhone 5 is cheap and easier the car because it is smaller.
Which, what do you prefer?
I prefer using the iPhone 5, the iPhone 14. I enjoy talking photos, watching videos, and using modern application.
I also prefer the iPhone 14 because it is faster and more useful for studying and working.
But the iPhone 5 is still has some advantage, no? It it is lighter, simpler, and more comfortable to, to hold. To hold.
In conclusion, the iPhone 14 is more advanced, more powerful, and more expensive than the iPhone 5.
On the other hand, the iPhone 5 is smaller, lighter, and cheaper.
Both phones are important because they show how technology has changed over time.
Thank you for listening to our presentation.
Goodbye.